Hi. Today, I will show you how simple it is to create an expense or income in Simply to Be. On Expenses screen, click to add new expense. Type a short title. Select a currency. By default, it's your business currency. Type the expense amount. Select the date on which the expense happened. Put some more information about it. Select the type that best describes the expense. These are used by all accounting practices, but you don't need to worry about it. It's all common sense. The next two are not mandatory, but will help you have better control. Select the vendor or the person you paid. Or check the advanced search screen for more detailed search. If the expense is for a specific job, select the job here. Again, this will help you to know how much are you making from each job. That's it. Now, click Save. This is the expense that you created. Clicking on these icons will help you have access to more detailed information of the expense. Edit or delete the expense. View details of the person you paid or the job related to the expense. From Income screen, click to add new income. This time, we'll select different currency. The rate of exchange is updated online. Type the amount in this currency, select the date, and add some details. Select the type that best describes your income. If this income is related to a specific customer, click here to search for that customer. If not found and you wish to create a new one, fill in the customer information. Select the type. Choose both if you get income from the customer, as well as paying them expenses. Assume that it is not tax exempted. Click Save. You can select a job if you have any with the customer. Create a new one or just continue without job assignment. Click Save. This is the income you've just created. Click on the icons to access more details and functions. Thank you and hope to see you in other videos.
Simply to Be. Expand your business the simplest way.